Hi everyone, Tatiana from the Greenbird's Bead Kingdom is here, and in this tutorial we're going to continue our Christmas preparations. I'm going to show you how to make these nice crystal Christmas tree earrings. The list of the materials I'm using can be found in the description field under this video. Go to a local bead store for some supplies. I've took mine from my store, Greenbird. Actually, I'm going to start with this. I'm going to take the longest head pin. This one is 50 millimeters. I'm going to use the head pin and earring findings, and also I'm going to use crystal beads in these shapes. The bicone bead in 4 millimeters, 4 millimeter cube bead, and several daisies in different sizes, from the smallest to the biggest. These two are the same size, something like 10 millimeters. Okay, now it's time to create the earrings. Actually, the process is very simple. I'm going to take my head pin and I'm going to string these beads. First of all goes this cube 4 millimeters, then the biggest daisies. I have 2 of them, then smaller daisy and the smallest, then 4 millimeter bicone bead, so it looks like this. Now I'm going to take my flat nose pliers and bend this pin 90 degrees here, like this. Then I'm going to cut the excess of this pin, leaving a tail here approximately 7 millimeters. Okay, cut. Then with my round nose pliers I'm going to make a loop like this. Okay, the pendant is actually ready. Now it's time to attach it to the earring findings. I'm going to do this by opening this ring, then putting my finding on, and then closing this ring like this. So the earring is ready. And absolutely in the same manner I'm going to make a second earring. And while I'm doing this, you can like this video if you appear to like this tutorial, subscribe to our channel to get more tutorials in the future, or check the links to other tutorials. I know you noticed my beautiful ring. I've created this myself and we have tutorial ready for you. It can be found here, and also there you can find the link to the tutorial to the earrings I'm wearing. So these earrings I've also created myself and we have tutorial for them. Okay, and while I was talking, I've finished with the second earring and they look like this. I think I have to try this on. Okay, how are they? I think they're just gorgeous. Now it's your turn. Go to a local bead store for some supplies and make these earrings for yourself or the ones you really love. Don't forget to like this video if you appear to like this tutorial, and subscribe to our channel to get more tutorials in the future. And write something in the comments, because actually it would be very nice to hear from you. Maybe a thank you, maybe a suggestion, maybe just anything. Don't forget to do these things. Create your earrings, sparkle, shine, and come back next week for more tutorials. See you soon. Bye!